Yo, I'm trying to do this. Like, I'm trying to do the wick. I love my eyebrow. It came out so freaking nice. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thanks for your support. If you are old to this channel, welcome. Thank you for coming again. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. Also, I'm going to be reviewing eyebrow pencil by Real by Selena Gomez. So yes guys, this is my Sephora. This is what I purchased today. So first, this is how it looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. I really love the packaging. I really like how it looks. I like how it's like off-white. But anyways, I am in Toronto, Canada, and it was $29 for it plus tax. It was $29, and I was just like, that is just kind of too much. But you know what, I'm really excited to review this product because I see a lot of people, you know, talking about the whole line. And as for me, I'm that type of person that if a brand launch their line, I don't just go ahead and buy everything. I wait to see what catch my eye the most. I don't just go and buy because everybody is buying it just to talk about it. So as for me, what caught my eye the most was the eyebrow gel. I got it in the deep brown. I really love the packaging. Like I said before, I love how it looks. I love the all white. So yes guys, I'm really excited to show you guys this tutorial. I really hope it comes out really good because for $29 you better come out good. Like, no, for $30 because plus tax. For $30, for 30 something dollars, you better come out right. First, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. The first thing I noticed is it has a little bit of weight to it. This is how it looks like. I really love the packaging. Like, I'm a sucker for packaging. I really love how it looks like. And as you can see, it has the deep brown mark right here, and then here is clear. So this is how it looks like. So the first thing I noticed is that it has a rectangular shape, and I'm not too much a fan of rectangular like eyebrow pencil, but we kind of make it work. So this is how it looks like. Let me see how much is in this. Oh my god, I'm so scared before this thing breaks on me, guys. Okay, it's not that much. It's like really not that much, but there we go. Because to be honest, I was expecting it to be longer, like at least right here, to be honest, but it's not. This is how it looks like. Like, I have come all the way to the end. This is the size of it. And then I'm just gonna take my time and roll that back. But first, before I get started with the gel part, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands to see. Oh, I put a lot. So this is how it looks like. First thing I noticed about this eyebrow pencil is that it's very pigmented. Like, it's very pigmented, but I hope it does the same on my brows. So next, I'm just gonna go ahead and close this up. So it goes like this, and then you close it up. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the gel part. So this is how it looks like. This is the gel part. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands to see. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the gel part. This is the gel part right here, but we're gonna see if it's gonna work for me. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and close it, and then I'm gonna start to do my brows. So this is the brows I'm gonna start to do. As you guys can see, I have a cut on my eyebrows. Usually here, like the eyebrow pencil is a little bit hard to blend on this part for some reason, because I have the cut here. So I hope this pencil work, that I don't have to do it too much. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrows. Guys, look at my hair. My hair is coming to my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrows. I'm going to take my brow pencil by Selena, Yorneabeauty, whatever you call it, and I'm just gonna go in and try to fill in my brows. Okay, so the first thing I like about this pencil is that it is very pigmented. That's what I really like about it. The first thing that I noticed, that is very pigmented, as you guys can see. So you have to be lightweight with this pencil. Don't go in too harsh with it, because a little goes a long way. You see what I'm doing here? Oh wow, okay. I am really impressed. I'm doing it with a light stroke, and that is actually looking really good. It looks, so I'm trying not to come too close to my front ear. I'm trying to avoid this area. I don't want it to be too much. Okay, I really like it. So far it's not that bad, and I'm just gonna go back in again, just filling it up. I don't want it to look so dewy. Just taking my time, and I'm being very careful. So this is how it's looking right now. Right on fleek. So now I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in gold. This is one of my favorite concealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hands, and then I'm just gonna clean up my brows. So far I like the eyebrow pencil. So far I like how my brows looks. I do like it. To be honest, I really like how it's looking right now, because it comes to my brow. Like when it comes to my brows, I don't play. So right here I just need to put a little bit more. Oh wow, look at my brows. And now I'm just gonna go back in again and then brush in from here so it can look more natural. Okay, I really like it. I'm not sure if I should use the brow gel, but I'm just gonna put a little bit in. I'm not gonna go too much because I don't want my brow to be so black. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, it smells good, because sometimes these eyebrow gels then be smelling so stink, guys. Like it be smelling really stink. So ooh, look at my brows, guys. Look at these brows. Yes, honey. So now I'm just gonna go in with the eyebrow gel. Ooh, I think I put a little bit too much. I'm not gonna put too much. Oh, love it, love it, love it. So after I finish putting the eyebrow gel on, oh my god, this is really nice. Like, cute, nice, right? Oh my goodness, you guys see the before? This is the before. This is how it looks like before. This is my brows, and this is the eyebrow. I really like this eyebrow pencil. I am impressed, Selena. I'm impressed. Like, cause if it comes to my eyebrow, when it comes to my eyebrows, I don't play. I don't play. If I'm paying $30 for this, you better be giving me something good. You know what I mean, Selena? Hope you're watching this video. So anyways, I'm just gonna go off camera to do my other eyebrows, and then I will be right back. So yes guys, this is the final look. I really like how my eyebrow came out. The only thing I dislike about this eyebrow pencil is that the pencil part is rectangular, and I'm not too much a fan of rectangular brow pencil. I'm not too much a fan of that, but at the end of the day, it works well for me. I like how my eyebrow looks. My eyebrow looks very, you know, rich. My eyebrow don't look cheap. My eyebrow looks expensive. That's what I love about this. I'm really impressed. Will I buy this again? Most definitely I will buy this again. I'm even thinking of buying another one to put it in my kit. So I hope this video was very helpful for some of you guys out there that was thinking of buying it. So yes guys, if you haven't thumbs up this video, please go ahead to thumbs up this video to see more reviews, because that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing a lot more reviews. So if you haven't thumbs up this video, please go ahead and do it. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to see more, you know, awesome video like this, more reviews. And yes guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Eyebrows on fleek, eyebrows on fleek, eyebrows on fleek, eyebrows on fleek, eyebrows on fleek.